Hey, we're just here at the Priceline Stadium, about to have a shoot-off with the Thunderbird girls, and we'll be at the Titanium Security Arena soon to do the same thing.
Oh my goodness! Can I do that again? How?
Oh, okay!
Oh, she got it in one go.
Don't run.
Making it rain! Oh no. Oh!
Good job, guys.
Well, we did win this one, didn't we, Nicole? And we are very happy with that. Hard luck. We're on our way to the Titanium Security Arena to win another one.
We're at the Titanium Security Arena now, same thing, still time, just further distance. I think Team B has it in the bag.
Lovely.
Oh, God!
This one too, Emily.
Missed this.
No way. How the hell with it?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss it.
Let's do everything around here. You're gonna shake me up. No, it's not. Please, Abby! Please!
Wrong sport.
Thanks for getting the ball back.
Okay, so here we are. The challenges are over. Team A was not very good today, but Team B kicked our butts. So it was really, really fun. So thanks to the Thunderbirds girls. So you're in training at the moment, preparing for the upcoming season?
Yep, pre-season has begun and our memberships are now on sale on our website at adelaidethunderbirds.com.au.
Awesome. And we have a TV game coming up on December the 9th at 2:30 against the Melbourne Boomers. We would love for the stadium to be filled. It's a TV game, so anybody, tell your friends, family, bring some people to the game and cheer on the Adelaide Lightning, the Mac Adelaide Lightning, for that TV game there on the 9th of December.